Hey there. Yes, right here. Welcome to Living in Arlington today. We are presenting you this stunning contemporary new construction at 3830 30th Street North in the neighborhood of Bellevue Forest in North Arlington. The house is listed by Theresa Valencic from Long and Forster, and it's built by HR developers, featuring 6 spacious bedrooms, 6.5 very nice and luxurious bathrooms, and modern amenities throughout the entire house. The house is priced at $3,079,999. The lot is 1/4 of an acre, and the construction is a little bit above 7,000 square feet of brand new construction. So come with me and let's explore this beauty. As soon as you come in, my first impression is spaciousness and tons of natural light, and the 10-foot ceilings are really impactful. So to the right-hand side, you're gonna have a big dining room area. You can seat at least 8 to 10 people easily on this dining room. And then to the left-hand side, this is where I start the video on the office, which is really stunning with this amount of windows. Like you have 3 floor-to-ceiling windows on the front and then 3 floor-to-ceiling windows on the side. Built-ins. Let's keep moving along. Wide staircases that are super easy to come up and down, and you have access to the outdoor on those set of doors over there. Then you're gonna find coat closet, and you're gonna find the first or the only powder room in the house. Easily for guests or for just a quick break from work. Then you open up to the great room or the family room, fireplace, gas, stone veneer on the fireplace, and then off of the living room, you're gonna have a screened-in porch, which we're gonna visit a little bit later. You have a breakfast table and huge countertop. Of course, you're gonna have very high-end appliances. You have your drawer, microwave, and then columned refrigerators by Sub-Zero, and these 48 inches range with 2 ovens. Plenty of storage. And one of my favorite features is you have 2 dishwashers. And then off of the breakfast table, you have a small deck area, which is ideal to put your grill outside for these very nice summer days. Let's keep going. Before we go to the bedroom in this floor, there is a butler's pantry, which is equipped with a sink and a wine refrigerator. And then of course there's your dining room from a different view. Let's go back to the bedroom area. Really off of the kitchen, you're gonna have the mudroom and access to your 2-car garage, like very oversized ceilings, and it's a 2-car garage, but it's really, really big and comfortable. Then, I forgot to mention, you have a full-size pantry here. And then off of the mudroom, you're gonna have a big closet here. can use it for storage or a bigger coat closet. And then you're gonna have your bedroom here in the first level. All the bedrooms in the house are gonna have their own private bathroom and of course a big closet. And this would be your bathroom. Of course, the quality of the craftsmanship on this construction, it's really nice. And I really love the tile selection throughout the entire house. It's very fun. In this channel, we help you navigate the complex world of buying, selling, and investing in real estate here in Northern Virginia, specifically in Arlington. We talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly about the neighborhoods. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you hit the notification bell so that you're informed every week when we post a new video. And by the way, if you are moving from another state to Northern Virginia, or you're moving inside of the area, make sure that you give us a call or send us a text message, send us a telegram, whatever is more convenient for you. If you have questions about real estate, we have answers. So let's go to the second level. So here on the second level, we're gonna have 4 bedrooms and 4 full bathrooms. Let's start with the secondary bedrooms. Bedrooms are big and they have plenty of storage space, and every room has its own bathroom. Of course, the selection by this builder was done with good taste, and it's kind of timeless. That's a peek into the owner's suite, but this would be bedroom number 3 or second bedroom here in the top floor. Again, your closet and the bathroom. Not only they did the selection with very good taste, but it has been a lot of fun seeing all the textures and the tiles that they use. All right, let's go into bedroom number 3 here on the top floor. This one would be the biggest bedroom of the secondary bedrooms. And again, you have your closet. And again, plenty of light, tall ceilings. Oops, I forgot to turn on the lights. Super fun tile. And before we go into the main bedroom, this is a linen closet. And then you're gonna have your laundry room, which is kind of a Jack and Jill entrance to the owner's walk-in closet. All right, before we go to the closet, let's take a look at the bedroom. But first of all, you have these huge French doors and plenty of space, and you have a wet bar. And you have your own private balcony. Which overlooks your backyard. And of course, neighbors' houses are gorgeous. Okay, let's go into the primary bathroom. Not only you have plenty of natural light, you also have this artificial lighting that it's really comfortable. Like there's plenty of light for you to work on yourself. You have this huge tub and this shower that has 2 shower heads. Again, plenty of space to store your stuff, and again, very nice, timeless selection of finishes. And then you come into the closet space. I don't know, this is not a walk-in closet, it should be another zip code. And of course, if you want a private tour of this house or any other house in the Northern Virginia area, please send me a text message with the word tour and I'll be more than happy to accommodate your schedule and show you around town. For now, let's go into the basement. All right, let's make a quick stop here. You have an access to the backyard on the landing here. All right, before we go to the main area, let's visit the bedroom here in the basement, which, let's go here through the bathroom. You're gonna have a shared bathroom with the basement in case you're entertaining. Again, look at the fun tile. I really love what they did. And this would be the bedroom. It's a rather small bedroom in the basement, but you have plenty of natural light actually. And actually, when I say that it's a small bedroom compared to the other bedrooms in the house, I mean, this is a huge bedroom by any standards. Here you're gonna have your exercise room, which has a rubber floor. You have some storage under the staircase. More storage here before you go into the game room or family room. It's huge. You can have a TV here, and on the other side, you can have a theater, which is already wired for speakers, and actually it does have speakers and everything. And let me see, I think I did not turn on the lights here on the bar. It's a wet bar. It has another wine fridge. Let's do game room night here. And then off the living space, you are gonna have another room. It is not counted as a room because it doesn't have a closet or an access to the outside, but plenty of either storage space, or you can have like a music room or... Okay, let's go to the outside before we wrap up this video. Off of the breakfast table, you're gonna have this deck where you can have your grill. And as I mentioned before, this house is on a half-acre lot, so you have plenty of space here in the backyard. You have huge mature trees, and the landscaping was very, very well done. Again, thank you very much for touring this house with us today. We post videos like this every week, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you hit the notification bell. And my name is Miguel, and this is your channel, Living in Arlington Today. Thank you very much for being with us. We'll see you next week.